the paper airplane today game? Hi guys, it's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Please, thank you guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today is another art episode. Do you know what we are going to do? We are going to make paper airplanes. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Here are the things that you will need. You'll need this paper. Are you ready? Then let's get started. We are gonna make the basic paper airplane, which most of you do. These are the steps on how to make a basic paper plane. Here is one of our paper airplanes. Let's test it out. Now we are gonna make a jet airplane. Here's how. These are the steps on how to make a jet paper plane. Now this is our jet plane. Let's test it out. Now we are gonna make the airplane, and this is a very special one. This is called the glider. This is how you make it. These are the steps on how to make a glider paper plane. the glider. Let's see if this works. Which plane do you like, guys? Do you like the glider, the jet plane, or the basic plane? Comment down below of which is your favorite plane. That's it, guys. Hope you like our art episode today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you in our next art episode. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.